Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the synergy that happens when UModeler X is used together with all-in-one 3D shader and see how they can simplify the game development process. All the objects you see in this scene were created using UModeler X. It's an all-in-one 3D creation tool that lets you handle modeling, UV work, painting and even rigging directly inside Unity. Because everything can be done within the engine, there's no need to switch between external tools, which makes the workflow much simpler and more intuitive. It also brings together the strengths of various 3D tools, so even beginners can adapt quickly, and many repetitive tasks are streamlined to speed up development. Since it's highly optimized for Unity, you can modify assets, add details, and deform objects exactly the way you want without running into errors. Next, we'll apply Seaside Studios' all-in-one 3D shader to see how it can transform the overall mood of the scene. This shader is very user-friendly and allows you to enhance visuals without breaking your existing shader setup. It includes a variety of presets that can help generate ideas or instantly define a visual style. For this demonstration, I'll be using the toon shading preset, which can drastically change the atmosphere with just a few slider adjustments. The toon shading style gives the scene clean lines and stylized lighting, creating an artistic animation-like effect. Among the many features included in all-in-one 3D shader, the emission option is especially useful. It's great for creating neon signs or cyberpunk-style elements, and it provides a glowing effect without requiring actual light sources, which is very helpful for optimization. There is also an outliner feature that highlights key objects, helping guide the player's attention. This is especially important in casual games, where players need to quickly understand where to go or what to interact with. Personally, I found that an outline thickness of about 1.3 looks the most natural. By using UModeler X and all-in-one 3D shader, together inside Unity, you can build scenes efficiently while keeping everything stable and error-free. Both tools integrate seamlessly and help create a faster, more optimized workflow for game development. I highly recommend trying them out to build your games more quickly and with greater detail.